Hello everyone, today we will start multiply one number above the base and one number below the base. Example is 105 times 97. Both number are close to base 100. So first step, we have to find out the difference from the base number. 105 is more than 5 from base 100. So we will write plus 5 on right side, and 97 is less 3 from base 100. So we will write minus 3 on right side, and first step we have to do multiplication of both numbers, and we will get minus 15 here, and then we have to do cross addition or cross subtraction. 105 minus 3 or 97 plus 5. In both condition we will get 102, and then we have to multiply to the base number 100. So the number on left side we will get 10,200. And last step we have to subtract the right side number 15 from left side number, and we will get 10,185, and this is the answer. And one more example we will take here, 103 times 98. And same process we will repeat here. So the difference from base 100, here is 3 is more. So plus 3, and 98 is less 2. So we have to do multiplication. 3 times minus 2 is minus 6. And then we will do cross subtraction or cross addition. 103 minus 2 or 98 plus 3. And we will get 101. And next we have to do multiply to the base number 101 times 100. And this is 10,100, and we subtract the right side number minus 6 from left side number, and we will get here 9,994, and this is the final answer. So we can find out the result in very less time. Next video we will start multiply with series of 9. So wait for next video. Bye.